What's up guys, Eric with Ferris Engineering. Today we're going to be installing our brake duct block off on the C8 Stingray. These are 3D printed out of carbon nylon in-house. We developed these to install with no hardware and no double-sided tape. These improve front end downforce, well total car downforce by 4% and reduce drag by 0.8%. And that's all because we're reducing the amount of airflow making its way into that fender well. This is for the customer that doesn't need the brake cooling. Some people do. It really depends on your pad compound and if you're running a big brake kit or not. Aaron from Winning Formula asked us to develop these. We then ran it through CFD, proved that it functioned, and then developed these. So we're going to install them real quick and I'll show you how. On the right side of this inlet, you'll have this little, I don't know what you want to call it, divider between the radiator and the brake duct. We're going to go to the right side of that and then we're going to push it over to the left, and then from there you just push it in. And that's how simple it does install. We do have arrows listed at each of these points, which are actually where you want to pull up on the top two and push down on the bottom one to get those clips out. You can also try and put your finger in here and grab it out, and it does pop out semi-easily. And that's how you install and remove our brake duct block off.